Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another new video. Today I am back in another Bitcoin caption chart. Today I want to discuss how the market going on. So let's start. First of all, I am going to on the chart. In on the chart you can see the market is going to down. If I go to on hour chart, in on hour chart you can see the market is going to down. If I go to 2 hour chart, in 2 hour chart you can see also the market is going to down. If I go to 3 hour chart, in 3 hour chart that is same, the market is going to down. If I go to 4 hour chart, is the same way, the market is going to down. If I go to 1 minute chart, in 1 minute chart you can see the live on, the market is going to up. If I go to 15 minute chart, in 15 minute chart here is same, the market is going to up. If I go to 45 minute chart, in 45 minute chart you can see the market is going to down. So it's so clear how the market going on. If you want to more clarification for this, I go to 4 hour chart. In 4 hour chart you can see the market is going to down, but where is the market going on? So for this I take a scale and taken another scale. Also I take another scale. If you follow this 3 scale, you can identify where is the market going on. If you follow the first place, here market is down. After that he going to up and going to this place. After that he going to down again, and then he going to up and go this place. If you notice that here is, after that he going to down and up, and he randomly after this place he randomly go to down, and now his position is this place. If I take increase it, you can see this, the market's last position will be there. Then he break his position. I think you understand. He go to this place. After that he break his position. It's not short term process, it's a long term process. I think everybody understand. So my prediction is the market is going to this place. Okay, if you know the good prediction, comment below and share your idea. I think that will be helpful for my viewers. Now I can discuss about the Bitcoin price. You see the Bitcoin price graph almost increased, but it's not probably fixed. Today's Bitcoin price is 16,047.40 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is on BTC is equal to 16,047.40 USD. I hope everybody liked the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Also share with your friends. Thank you.